Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every educator, new or experienced, needs in their toolbox, the 5 ES of lesson planning. Whether you're teaching kids in a classroom or designing an online course, this framework helps you build lessons that are engaging, interactive, and impactful. Let's explore the 5 ES together, with a little help from our curious students. 2. Studio microphone, engage. Film projector, show the blue, engage section with emojis and visuals of curious students. The first E is engage. This is where learning begins, with curiosity. Think of it like the spark that lights a fire. In this stage, your goal is to hook their hearts. Ask a big question, show a surprising image, play a short video, or even start with a quick game or story. When students are emotionally and intellectually hooked, they're ready to learn. Studio microphone, now hear it from the student's voice.
Oh,
I got curious. That's engagement in action. Studio microphone, explore. Film projector, green explore section with puzzle icons, hands-on activities visuals. Voiceover. Next comes explore. This is the hands-on part. Students now get a chance to play, discover, test ideas, and interact with the material. This could be a science experiment, group work, a math challenge, or a language puzzle. The key here is to let students construct understanding on their own terms before you step in with explanations. Let them observe, wonder, and try things out. Studio microphone, student says. I played and figured it out. That's the sound of real discovery. Studio microphone, explain. Film projector, yellow, explain section with link icon, teacher giving input, visuals of instruction. Once students have explored and gathered their own insights, it's time for explain. Now, as a teacher, you step into guide and connect the dots. You clarify vocabulary, introduce formal terms, and help students link their exploration to real-world concepts. This is where the aha moments happen. Students begin to build accurate understanding and feel confident in naming what they've learned. Studio microphone, in their words. Now I understand what it's called. Studio microphone, elaborate. Film projector, orange section, creative thinking visuals, deeper connections, real-life applications. Now comes the most powerful stage, elaborate. This is where students stretch their thinking and apply what they've learned in new, meaningful ways. They might write a story, build a model, draw comparisons, or relate the lesson to their community or life. In fact, the elaborate phase may happen in 2 parts. Studio microphone, first, the student says, now I understand what it's called. Then they continue. I can think deeper or connect it to my world. This is where creativity, critical thinking, and deeper understanding flourish. It's no longer just about memorizing, it's about applying knowledge. Finally, we reach evaluate. This is the moment to reflect and celebrate. It's where students demonstrate what they've learned through quizzes, presentations, peer assessments, self-reflection, or even fun projects. Studio microphone, the student proudly says. I can even show what I've learned. Remember, evaluation isn't just about giving marks. It's about encouraging growth, recognizing effort, and helping students feel proud of their journey. So, let's recap the 5 ES of lesson planning. Small blue diamond, engage. Hook their hearts with curiosity. Green circle, explore. Let them play and discover. Yellow circle, explain, guide, and connect concepts. Orange circle, elaborate, stretch, create, and deepen. Red circle, evaluate, reflect, and celebrate learning. Together, these stages make your lesson learner-centered, exciting, and effective. They support students in becoming thinkers, explorers, and problem solvers, not just passive learners. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow educators. Let's keep inspiring learning, one lesson at a time. See you in the next video. Waving handbooks.